Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're talking about my backpacking fishing gear. So the kit that I'm bringing when I'm going backpacking or hiking, and I know there's going to be a lake or a river and I want to go fishing, so this is what I will bring in my backpack. So before we start, make sure to watch till the end because I'm going to talk about the great mail that I received from two great channels. So we've been exchanging some stickers and stuff, so I received them, so I'm going to show them to you at the end of this video. So the kit that I'm bringing, actually I'm using a bag that is a bit too big for it. I could use a smaller bag, but I really like it. It's a zip pouch like this that I got from a company here called Mech, but you can get them from any companies, okay? It's a bit dirty now, but I like the fact that it's large zip, so I can open it up, you know, put them flat and use my thing, and I don't have to struggle to find my stuff in. But it's way bigger than I need. Like you can see, the only size that I really need is this. So in this, there's everything that I need to go fishing. This includes everything. So this is very small, very compact, very light. You cannot have smaller than this on the market. Nope. So if we open the bags up, I'm gonna show you what's inside. There's not many things inside actually. My permit. You know, in Canada and pretty much anywhere, you need a permit to fish. So I'm using a little like waterproof wallet like this. I put my permit in it. That's good enough for me, and it's pretty light. So, the fishing rod. I've talked about it in my most famous video. Almost 20,000 views already. It's crazy. It's the famous pan rod and the spinning reels that comes with it. It does come another version with the bait casting, but I don't know. I kind of prefer this one with the spinning reel for a simple rod. You know, you can use different lines. I wouldn't go more than, I would say, 8 pounds. I never went 8 pounds. I'm always using around 5-6 pounds line. A line like this will do. You know, just single line, just clear, you know, nothing more, because you don't want your rod to break, obviously. But a 5 to 6 pounds line will do fine. I've been using it with it for over a year now. Never had any issues. I will carry a little extra like this just in case I need it, and it doesn't weight anything. This is really, really small, but I won't carry the big ones. So the rod comes like this. If you want more info on this rod, I will put the link of the video I made up there and in the descriptions. I explain everything about this rod. This rod is very, very simple. You know, it looks like a pen. That's the main thing here. And you just open it up all the way, and there's two locking system here that you will attach with the grooves. You will attach your spinning reel with this clip here. Very simple, and you just pass the line through the loops like you do with every fishing rod. Very, very simple to use, and it does work. Works fine. The full length of this is 8-inch, and when you open it up completely, it's 38.5 inches long. So it's pretty decent. It will work. And both together, the reel and the rod, comes at 8.8 ounce. So, you know, you cannot have it smaller than that. And light. This is crazy. So, very easy to bring when you're going backpacking. This will fit pretty much anywhere. Even in a fanny pack, that would work. Even actually in your pocket. You can fit that in any pants pocket whatsoever. Maybe not tight jeans, but if you're going hiking and backpacking in tight jeans, well, good for you. Not sure it's a good idea though, but hey, I respect it. So also what I keep inside my bag, I will keep these cutters, pliers, cutters, whatever you call it. They can do actually both. I love these little ones. They come in pack of 2. Very, very cheap, not expensive. There's a locking here to open them up, and you can remove the hooks, you can cut the lines with them, you can do pretty much anything you need with them. You don't need more than that, and they are super small, super light, and they are super sharp. Very easy to use. You don't need more than that. Actually, I only use that. I don't have the bigger ones. That's what I use even when I'm going fishing with my big box. So, perfect. I also carry a couple of floaters, you know, little floaters like this. I just sometimes here we have a lot of rocks and shallow waters, so floaters can be good sometimes if you don't want to lose all your your baits, your lures, and everything. So I carry a couple of these, and I carry a simple, very small plastic tackle box like that I just secure with the elastic band. And inside I will keep just a couple of basic things. Oops. I'll show you more what's inside, but that is what you prefer. You put spoons, or you put baits, or you put whatever hooks inside that you want. That's, you know, you decide what you want to put in. For that, I'm not going to go into it because that's a personal choice. And with this small kit, you'll still be able to go fishing without any issues whatsoever. And that will work. And it's probably the smallest and the lightest kit you will have. So I hope that helps you with that. So now let's talk about the stickers in the mail. So I've been trading stickers with great channels. Make sure to go watch them and go subscribe. I'll put the link of these channels in the descriptions. So first I received from Nicole Hikes a Lot. Nicole, thank you very much. I appreciate a lot. Good friend. So she sent me 3 stickers. So I got the big one here. Beautiful stickers. Look at this. Amazing sticker. And 2 small ones like this. Great. Appreciate. Lovely stickers. Goes into my collection. Hope you like yours. And I also got some from Steve from Packs a Lot. Sent me his great sticker like this. Also got an amazing picture. Watch this. Isn't that great? A picture from the Highline Trail in Utah. Thank you very much. Appreciate. Have a Coke Zero for me. So make sure to go watch these 2 channels. Nicole Hikes a Lot and Packs a Lot. They are great hiking channels. Lots of great adventures. Beautiful footage. And so I'll put the link like I said. Thank you a lot. And if you want to trade some stickers with me or mail, my email address will be in the description too, and you can find it also on my channel about page without any issues. And I'll be glad to trade some stickers or mail with you. So I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss any future video. Thanks for watching.